Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and once again you see me in a picture where normally you don't see me. Why do I show up in the beginning of the video? I quickly want to explain the reason. As you all remember, we have been shooting at Omega at the headquarters in April. And we have also been shooting the Omega Seamaster Diver 300 Black. And yes, we forgot to make a Lume shot. Yep, we did. Apologies once again. And of course, some of you out there said, where is the Lume shot in the video? Yeah, we forgot. So now I have the watch back and I will do that Lume shot. Of course, you will see the watch, how it looks like. But of course, taking opportunity of the fact that I do have the watch and behind me is my pool. I will also bring it into the pool, film it there, film it on my wrist, talk a little bit about the watch. It will be a short video anyhow. If you are interested and keen to learn more about that Seamaster, please watch our video we published in April. I will link it up there. There it is. There's a link now showing up on your screens. Gregory Kissling, head of product management of Omega, explained every detail. There's no one doing it better than him. Enjoy the video. Don't forget, if you haven't watched the video yet, to watch the video from April. And yep, enjoy those pictures I'm going to tape for you right now here in the bright sun. Summer. We have a pretty warm day, and yeah, the watch will be with me in the water. We'll make some wrist shots and talk a little bit about the Diver Black.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
The Omega Seamaster Diver 300 meters black. Norman is Omen in this case. On my wrist you see a 43.5 millimeter watch. Wrist size, my wrist size is 17 centimeters. So you can imagine about the size and how it fits. Thickness 14.47 millimeter, and the so-called lug to lug distance is 51 millimeter. That's what I have been measuring. If you're keen to know what the distance in between the lug is 21, and it's tapering down to the pin buckle 18 millimeters. So to an 18, 21, 43.5, once again, 14.47 and 51. These are the sizes. You should know then, yeah, what are we talking about? We're talking about a full ceramic watch, including a ceramic dial, a ceramic inlay in the bezel, a ceramic crown, a ceramic helium escape valve, and of course, yes, the pin buckle is also in ceramic, made out of ceramics, as well as the case bottom with, you have a see-through case bottom. Yes. What else to mention? Yeah, the dial has been laser bladed to get those waves, their wave design you see now nicely. And as well the inlay, the ceramic inlay in the bezel, laser ablation to get that positive relief on the bezel, on the inlay, ceramic inlay. Looks gorgeous when you touch it, feels good, you have perfect grip if you really want to use the watch and you want to set the bezel. The bezel is only off course, as it should be with a diver turning counterclockwise. 120 clicks. Yes, you're looking really nice. From this side you see it's, is it a thick watch? What do you think? It's a diver, needs certain thickness. The watch is waterproof 300 meters or 1000 feet. And to guarantee this waterproofness, you need meat in terms of you need a certain size of case size, etc. Size of the sapphire crystal. That's, by the way, both sides anti-reflective treatment on this side and on the side that's now actually on my wrist. It is only there is only a treatment on the inner side. So once again, here you see the nice pin buckle, Omega logo on it. It's a nice upper strap, 21 millimeters, 18. Voila, there you go. So now I'm getting ready to bring the watch into the water. And yeah, as you can see, the readability of time is pretty good because, yeah, the watch is called black, but still with the bright light as we do have today in bright sunshine, yeah, there's a certain effect of gray and black, of course, appearing. And so readability of time is excellent, I would say, according to the fact that it is a black watch, or named the black watch. And yeah, you wouldn't expect it when you hear the name, but readability is very good. Now let's dive it into the pool. You see, looks nice in the water. And once again, you have this effect I've been showing already the last time. Yeah, when you are turning such a watch in a certain angle, of course, all of a sudden, readability of time will disappear due to the reflections you have. There's only one company, I will repeat that, there's one company offering solutions. That's Sinn, the German manufacturer, Sinn, that has developed a special diver watch. It's a quartz watch filled with liquid, and you don't have this effect at all. But all the other watches with mechanical movements, and you couldn't fill a mechanical wristwatch with liquid, wouldn't work. All the other watches do have this effect. You see, yep, once again, readability, and it gets lost. But what you nicely see with a kind of a magnifying effect underwater is that the watch has a domed sapphire crystal. You can see this, I think, bringing it out. Forgive me if I, from time to time, shake my hand. I just want to reposition the watch in the center of my wrist. So for you watching the video, getting the best view on it. And yep, bringing it in and out. So you see. The watch is very light, as you see it here in that configuration with the rubber strap and that length of the strap, 115 grams. So ultralight watch, I have to say. You don't, shaking it. I'm fine. Don't worry. I don't get a stroke or anything comparable. Oh no, I'm fine. I'm just shaking the watch, so I'm pulling it back, or shaking it back to the center of my screen of the camera. I'm pointing at the watch. Yeah, the watch is is powered by an automatic movement, 55 hours of power reserve. The watch is coaxial escapement, META certified. It is a master chronometer resisting magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. Tough procedure where the watch is tested. And what is also particular with the META's test is that all the watches are obliged to be tested in water. And what Omega does is, Omega says 300 meters, but they are testing them at plus 25%. So 300 meters plus 25% is what METAS asks Omega to do. METAS is the Swiss Institute of Metrology, and they are taking care independently, and they are supervising the tests Omega is doing, that this watch may call itself a master chronometer. Yep, once again into the water. You see, it's more gray, huh? Yeah, yeah. There's a magnifying effect coming from the water, and then of course the dial looks a little bit more gray than it does, of course, outside. You see the difference? Magnifying effect, give it looking more deep, more depth, and yeah, nice.
Now visible what I was talking before. This is the see-through case button of the Diver 300 black of Omega. You see the caliber 8806. It is a 3.5 hertz movement, 25,200 semi-oscillations. Yes, coaxial escapement. And what you can also see is that name Naiad lock. What Naiad lock means, why not showing, first time filming a movement underwater, showing you a movement underwater. I'm zooming in so I can quickly explain. Naiad lock you see engraved on the ceramic case button, and this Naiad lock is an expression Omega uses to guarantee or to certify or to prove that they're using a case button that will always, when it is closed, align correctly, so you will have all the indications readable as you see them now. Diver 300 meters, 1,000 feet, and Naiad lock. Alignment is guaranteed. That's a feature the Omega watches now. It's the camera getting into troubles, getting it sharp, but yeah, first time I'm filming the watch underwater in my hands. Why not? Why not? New, yes, from the side. I've never done this before. A cool idea. Here, from the side. The watch in the water. Turning it around again, and you see we have the same funny effect. Yeah, like if there would be a magic curtain, a certain angle, no more movement, angle corrected, movement. Yep, nice. I didn't think when getting here to do this. I would just wanted to explain you a little bit about the movement. Here's the watch. Omega Seamaster Diver 300 meters. Black. It isn't so black. Comments, please. What you think? Is it black, or is it more gray black, or is it gray black, gray black, gray black? Let's discuss it in the comment sections together. And yeah, as I said before, readability is pretty good, no doubt. Excellent readability. Plunge it into the water and get it out. Look how beautifully it looks like when the water starts to dry off of the surface. Very nice, very nice. Now it's time for the Lume shot. You all have been waiting for 10 past 10. Ready for the Lume shot? Okay, there we go. It's what you have been waiting for. The watch is smiling at you, and it's the Lume shot. And what you clearly see is that there's a difference in between the emission of the minute hand, the dot on the basal, and the rest. So you have green emission coming from the minute hand and the dot on the basal, and blue emission coming from the indexes, the hour indexes, the hour dots on the dial, the two indexes indicating 12 o'clock. That's where the second hand is just passing. Now you see blue on the second hand, but green coming from the minute hand. That's the Lume shot. Not bad at all. Readability is given even if it is a watch called black. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you also for being patient to give us the chance to show you the Lume shot a little bit late, but we did it. And yes, once again, apologies for not having thought about it as we were filming the watch at the Omega headquarters in April. Thanks for watching the video. Looking forward for your comments. Of course, please tell me what you think and share your thoughts. Bye from me for today. Stay safe and sound, and see you soon here back on WatchAdvisor on YouTube.